This Chromebook has got something called accessibility settings, and these can help you if you have some problems with seeing or hearing things. To find accessibility settings, move your mouse down into the bottom right hand corner and click down where the battery symbol is. And then go up and you'll see it says accessibility. So click on that. The first of these settings is Chromebook. So if I turn this on, it will read out all the text on the page. So I'm not going to turn that one on just now. The next one I'll show you, this is called Select to Speak, and if I click it, it will turn it on. And then if I hold down the magnifying glass on the left hand side of the keyboard and then drag around the area that I want on the screen, it will then read it to me.
Your questions answered. Take a look at our summer term page to read details about our plans, find out what's available, and take a look at our frequently asked questions.
The next setting is the dictation tool. You'll see here that I've turned it on. And when I've turned it on, this symbol appears down here. And what that means is, if I click on it, it will dictate anything that I say. So if I wanted to change the text up here, and then click on it, bbc.co.uk, and then it will enter the text that I want it to say. It's worth remembering that this is already built into Google in the search engine, so if I click here, then it will search for anything that I want it to search for. Sydney Harbour Bridge. These next settings make it easier to see things on your screen. So this one that says high contrast mode, if I click it, it will make that easier for some people to see the screen. So I'll turn that one off. The one underneath that says full screen magnifier, if I click that on, it really zooms in closely to part of the screen. And if I just move my mouse about with my finger, I've just got one finger on the trackpad and I can move that about so that I can see all the different details on that website and get back to my accessibility, and then I can turn it off. This next one is called the docked magnifier, and if I click on it, it does this to the screen. So you'll see that it splits it in two, and at the bottom we've got the regular page for the website, but up at the top it lets you really zoom in closely on part of the website. Now, as you can see, there are a few more settings down here as well. And so if you want any more information about any of these settings, then just go to this website.